Today we're going to do a review on the Victorinox Swiss Champ. It's a pretty good little knife. I carry it around with me everywhere I go. We'll start off with the tweezers. Pull out tweezers. Then you got your can opener / wire stripper with 6mm flathead screwdriver. And then your 3mm flathead screwdriver / can opener. And you got the magnifying glass, which can also start fires using the sun. And you got your full-size screwdriver. Then your scissors, which are actually pretty sharp. Just do a little demonstration real quick. Pretty sharp little scissors. They're good. Alright, now let's go to the... It measures in inches on this side, other side centimeters. Then you got your fish hook remover and your fish scaler on the side. And beyond that, you got your wood saw. It works pretty well. Yeah. Then after that, you got your file / hacksaw. Files are on each side. Hacksaw right here on the blade part. Comes in handy. Your main knife. And it's pretty sharp. I haven't really sharpened it really. I just got it. Really sharp. Your pen knife is last on the front. It's also pretty sharp. Then on the other side you got your little mini pen, writing. It takes a while to get the ink flow frequently, but it works pretty good. And your plastic toothpick. Never really used it yet, but it's good to have there. Then on the back you got your corkscrew, and inside your corkscrew there's a eyeglasses screwdriver, then just your corkscrew, and then there's this little hidden piece down in here. If you can zoom in and get that, you just pull that out and it's a sewing pin. Most people don't show this in their reviews. My buddy showed me it, never really knew it was there, had it for 2 weeks now. But yeah, pretty interesting. Slides right in that little slot. Let's see what else there is. And beside the corkscrew, you got your chisel. Chisel and wood. Then beside your chisel, you got your, I don't know, what size is this for a flathead? Another 3mm?
Maybe 3mm.
Possibly 3mm. That's about it.
Very odd looking tool.
Very odd looking tool. Haven't really used it. Didn't find any use, but this works really well for carrying newspapers. Like sometimes you can't get that knot untied out of your shoe. Wedge that down in there, that'll get it. It's adjustable, move back. It helps out with bike chains and stuff. Put on your bike chain. That'll get your hands greasy, but yeah. Then you got your, what is this called again? Your
reamer.
And then you got, it also has a stitching hole, but I don't know who would use that to stitch with. Make a big old hole, a gaping hole. I don't know, probably for leather or something, but it's pretty sharp. It has like a blade on it. But yep, and your key ring. But yeah, that's it for the Victorinox Swiss Champ.